Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Let's wait for others to join.
आज पहली बार ऐसा देखा है और
Children, we did revision yesterday. I gave you a worksheet to do.
yes ma'am.
Yes. So we had completed that, right? We had completed that.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Now today again we are going to do another worksheet. Okay, take out your social studies copies, everyone.
Yes ma'am.
I'll share screen with you. Good morning, beta. I'll share screen with you and all of you are supposed to do it in the same way. You'll write the questions along and their answers. All the questions are supposed to be written.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we will do a revision of chapter 2.
Revision of, yes, we'll do revision of chapter 2.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good.
Please wait. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Everyone take out your social studies copies and get ready for a revision this thing. Revision work from chapter 2.
Ma'am, we will do in fair copy or rough copy.
You will do in fair copies, beta. You will write questions also. Nobody will ask me this question again.
Ma'am, I will not. Ma'am, I will not. Ma'am, मैं free class join नहीं कर पाई थी because network is too slow.
All right, because of low network. Now, here also I'm experiencing some low network. These sheets are not opening.
Ma'am, please tell me, ma'am, yesterday, ma'am, what will do
Beta, I
yesterday?
had posted the worksheet on D group. Didn't you check
Okay,
the
ma'am.
D group? I have posted the work.
Heading.
Now today's heading is revision work, revision number 2.
Ma'am, do you have connection problem, ma'am? Because everybody and
What?
voice is breaking.
Wait, beta, wait. I'll just try to send it again. Why it's not
And we
opening?
have
I
to
can't
write
understand.
revision chapter 2.
Yes, revision chapter number 2. Okay, children, what I'll do is I'll send you these. I don't know why it is not being shared here. I'll send you these questions on your WhatsApp group. All of you open your WhatsApp group and check there. You have to write questions and answers both. Have you got it on WhatsApp, all of you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
It has gone. It's showing a
Ma'am,
10
do we
mark
have to
also.
write in fair copy?
Yes, you have to write
Yes,
a fair
ma'am.
copy along with the questions. Okay. It has come here also. Those who want to see from here can see here also. Fine.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Mute yourself, beta, mute yourself.
Ma'am, my copy is finished, so I am making one new copy to
Okay.
write.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in first answer we have to write 1, 2, and 3. Then we have to write calendars.
Name the types of calendars. How many types of calendars are there? Name them. You just have to name them 1 and 2.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 2. Ma'am, only 2.
Beta, how many types of calendars have you studied? We have studied only 2 types of calendars, no? In chapter 2. So you have to write the names of those 2 calendars.
Ma'am, we have to write only answers.
Beta questions also. How many times will I tell the same thing? In every worksheet I'll share, I have to say this thing always.
Ma'am, something is happening, ma'am. Ma'am, I was connected to the Zoom, ma'am, but I was disconnected again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday we were unable to join the SST class, and ma'am, today we were unable to join the Hindi literature class.
Beta, something is going wrong with Zoom. There is some issue that has come up with Zoom.
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am. In first question, ma'am, can we draw the calendar?
No, beta, you need not draw the calendars. Only name
Okay,
them.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we just have to name them or we have to give information.
No, only name them.
Ma'am, in everything we have to name them. They are like one word answers.
No, they are not one word answers. They are short answer type. Like you will answer, there are two types of calendars. And then you have to name them 1 and 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done all the answering brief.
Very nice. Start doing the fill-ups. Mute yourself, children.
Ma'am, please show the okay, ma'am, I see what WhatsApp. Ma'am, when we will write the name of calendar, we have to write one more name of that.
One more name means what?
Ma'am, mean there are two names of one calendar.
No, so you can
we have
write
to
one name each. You can just write one name each.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please scroll up?
Fine.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm sending you something in chat box. Please check it.
ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
Wait, beta, wait. Yes, say.
ma'am, in briefly, in question 4, what is written after, in 4.1, what is written after how many?
After how many years does a leap year come? What have you sent, beta? I cannot see in the chat box anything. Arav Gupta.
Ma'am, I don't know the second fill in the blanks.
Yes,
That dash
Arav,
help
that's
us to
correct.
arrange.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
you don't know the second fill in the blank. Shaurya, you are saying that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The second fill in
Ma'am,
the
is
blank.
that calendar help us to arrange the event in our dash?
Dash help us to arrange the events in a dash order. Okay, what helps us to arrange events in a correct order?
Ma'am, calendar.
No. What we make on a line that helps us to arrange
timeline.
events? Yes. That helps us to arrange the events. Now in what order? We have we have read a particular word in this chapter. Starting from the beginning till the end. What is that order called?
Ma'am, can I tell Ashray?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, in chronological order.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, in the chat box, I have sent you the spelling of chronological order.
Ma'am, can you read the question 2?
Question number 2.
Yes,
Wait, question number 2. Which calendar is known as the Indian National Calendar?
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Can I change the screen now? All of you
Ma'am,
have
I have written Kanav itself. Ma'am, I am in question 5.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
you
I have written all.
wait for 5 minutes? Ma'am, can you please wait for 5 minutes?
Okay.
Ma'am, and I don't know the question number 4. Can I leave it?
Yes, if you don't know any answer, you can leave that.
Ma'am, my work is complete. Ma'am, please change the screen.
Okay, children, take screenshot of this screen. Take a screenshot so that I can change the screen. Atharv Gupta, are you not doing your work?
But ma'am, that.
Atharv Gupta?
Ma'am? No, ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, do it.
No, ma'am, I am doing.
Good, good, good. Yes. Who is saying ma'am?
ma'am, there is also problem in yesterday's device. He can't also.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have written kind of method.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am, I have also.
Ma'am, I have also done short.
Those who have completed, now what you'll do is at 9:40, you're going to post your work in the class group, not before that. Let everyone do. The class gets over
Okay,
at
ma'am.
9:45. Last 5 minutes, we are going to discuss it, and then I'll check your papers
Ma'am.
later and let you know. At 9:40, all of you will share your work. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Like, ma'am, we don't know the answer of the third one and the fifth one. Ma'am, I don't know.
So you can
So,
leave
ma'am,
that.
I have to write that question.
Yes, write the question and leave a little space over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't know the meaning of fifth question.
Meaning of what?
Fifth question answer.
What is the fifth question? Tell me.
Okay, ma'am, I'm telling.
Read it out.
Ma'am, the fifth question is how many years the Sakha calendar starts after the Gregorian and calendar?
77.
Okay, it was given in the chapter that Saka calendar starts after dash years of Gregorian calendar. It is very clearly given.
Ma'am,
beta.
can I tell?
Tell.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, it starts from 78 years after.
Yes, it starts after 78 years of Gregorian calendar.
Ma'am, I have done all fill in the blanks and question.
Very nice, very good. Now start beautifying your work and at 9:40 post it on the class group. 8 more minutes for those who have not done it. After 8 minutes, we are going to discuss all the answers.
Ma'am, I am on the last question answer. The last question is too big. But ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am, now my device is also showing that and unknown error appeared.
Beta, I can't understand. What are you saying?
Ma'am, it is ma'am. Now my device is also showing I was disconnected. Ma'am, when the Wi-Fi is when the Wi-Fi is connected, the Zoom is I'm disconnected from the Zoom.
Okay. Yes, say.
Ma'am, in answer 4,
Ma'am,
Yes, what happened in answer 4?
ma'am, in answer 4, do we have to write one word or a sentence?
Beta, try to write it in short sentence.
Ma'am, done Ashray Agarwal.
Very nice, very good. Just 5 more minutes and then start posting your work.
ma'am, I have done.
Good.
Ma'am, please share to the next page because ma'am, ma'am, anybody's mic is disturbed.
Ma'am, I have done Sam Pratap Singh. Ma'am, I have done Sam Pratap Singh.
Good.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am typing box. Ma'am, please check it. Ma'am, is it correct? Ma'am, I am typing it. Ma'am, please check.
Yes, beta,
Ma'am,
it's correct. It's correct.
Ma'am, I can't understand the question 5. Can you read?
What is question number 5? Just wait. How many years the Saka calendar starts after the Gregorian calendar? Or after how many years the Saka calendar starts as compared to the Gregorian calendar? After how many years does it start?
Ma'am, 78 years after.
Okay, were you supposed to say the answer?
Then now we stand in group.
I hope all of you have done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start sending it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent. Please check.
Okay, beta, I'll check. Now let's discuss these question answers. Question number 1, Jaskaran Taneja. Read it out and tell the
Okay,
answer
ma'am.
also.
How many types of calendars are there? Name them. There are 2 types of calendar. Saka calendar, first Saka calendar, second Gregorian calendar.
Very nice. Second, Shaurya Gupta. Sorry, Shaurya Tyagi.
Okay, ma'am. Which calendar is known as Indian national calendar? Answer is the Saka calendar is known as the Indian national calendar.
Very
I have
nice.
sent on the group.
Good. Arav Gupta. Question number 3.
How many months are there in a Gregorian calendar? There are 12 months in a Gregorian calendar.
Nice. Then Akshata Tiwari. Question number 4.
Okay, ma'am. After how many years does a leap year comes? After every 4 years, a leap year comes.
Good. Next, Arhan.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Arhan, read out the first fill up.
Okay, ma'am, I'm reading. In Saka calendar, the first month is of Chaitra.
Very nice. The first month is of Chaitra. Everyone has written this?
Ma'am, may I tell next one?
Everyone has written the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Naisha Roy,
Yes,
read out the
ma'am.
second one.
Guys, please.
Mute yourself, all of
May
you.
I tell next?
Mute yourself. Yes, Naisha.
The timeline helps us to arrange the events in a chronological order.
Very good. Timelines help us to arrange the events in a chronological order. Then the next one, who will read out the next one? Akshat Sharma. Read out the third, fill in the blank.
Ma'am, may I read?
Okay, Akshat is not reading. Summer, read it out.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am. A year after the birth of Jesus Christ, written as AD or CE.
Very good. Very nicely done. AD, either it is written as Anno Domini AD or CE, common era. Okay, Akhya Goyal, fourth one.
Ma'am, Anno Domini and CE are both are correct.
Yes, both are correct, beta.
Ma'am, the question is after how many years
No.
does a leap year come?
We are doing fill in the blanks. We are on the fourth fill up.
Ma'am, that I don't know.
Okay, who knows it? Who knows the answer of the fourth fill in the blank?
Ma'am, I Kanav Mittal.
Okay, Kanav Mittal, read.
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
Kanav?
my new one?
Ma'am, can I read, Bhavya?
Where is Kanav Mittal? Yes, Kanav, I'm telling you to read.
Common era was replaced by the name Anno Domini.
Okay, common era replaced the name
I tell her,
Anno Domini.
But ma'am, I have written CE.
You have written CE. Okay, CE, but he has just explained, he has just told the full form.
Okay, ma'am. May I tell?
Okay, last one. Hurry up and read out the last one. Who will read the last one? Raina. Raina, hurry up and read.
Ma'am, can I read, Bhavya?
The Gregorian calendar.
Ma'am, can I read, Bhavya?
Gregorian calendar
Was first used in
Europe.
Okay. The Gregorian calendar was first used in Europe. So here we come to the end of this
Europe.
worksheet. And since there is, yes, any confusion to anyone?
No, ma'am. No,
All right. Good. So that's all for today's class, children.